gonna cry. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Happy Easter, sweetie.
Happy Easter, buddy. Is it Darth Vader?
What is that? It's a Yoda Easter basket.
Oh, it looks like the Easter Bunny came for someone else, too. It looks like Daddy and Graham Joe.
Oh my gosh. I didn't even notice that. It's standing right next to it. Oh, Heather.